Welcome to the channel. If you're getting unknown charges from the Microsoft App Store, I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually resolve them. Okay, so we want to resolve unknown charges from the Microsoft Store. First of all, sign into your account and navigate to your payment management page. Select Investigate next to any suspicious charge to reveal the detailed transaction information. This will include the date, the amount, and the associated services or products. Then check your subscriptions page to identify all active recurring payments. Many charges stem from auto-renewing services like Microsoft 365, Xbox Live, or even Game Pass that you may have forgotten about. You'll be able to find everything here in the active subscriptions page. Cancel any unwanted subscriptions to prevent any future charges or request refunds for unauthorized transactions through your order history. For suspected fraud, contact both Microsoft support as well as your bank immediately. Also, your recurring subscriptions, there is an auto renewal for Microsoft 365, Xbox Live, and other monthly services that you may have signed up for previously, so make sure that you are aware of that. Also, family members or authorized users making purchases will also show up in your transaction or your subscription page. And then previously declined charges that were later successfully processed or pre-orders that are now shipped will also show up. And you may think that it's an unresolved or something that you're unaware of because it's in delay. It is important, though, that you must actively manage and cancel all of your subscriptions directly through the Microsoft account to prevent any future charges. A bank dispute only addresses the specific transaction, but not the actual subscription. So make sure if you are canceling subscriptions, it's done on your Microsoft account.